You were elsewhere. No, this is where I'm at. I just stopped there and fixed my bag. You're gaslighting me. Now I'm so confused. You're just on the sign. Wait, Micah, there's a wall map back there if you wanna check on the sign. I will go back again. That's far away na. I just continue. Micah's mindset. Micah chat would never lie. Nah, you're gaslighting me. The camera is like, it's very blurry, no? This camera. Bear with it, chat. We need to revive the other phone. Take a right when you can. Nah, I was there, chat. I was there fixing the bag. And then you told me to go back. I was right all along. And now you're gaslighting me. Do you want to visit the famous landmark in the park? The public washroom. Can we charge in the washroom? No, I think they don't have charging station there. I'm okay. Let's just continue. I don't feel like this delivering water. I didn't tell you anything. Nah, you're so good at denying things, huh? That's a skill. I think I know this, chat. I think I just went back from where I actually come from, but it's on the back side. I mean, backside way, huh? Maybe. I don't know. Ay, nako. Micah, this is perfect. By the time you navigate your way to Starbucks, it will be open. So we're okay. Let me know where's the Star. You were nowhere close to here. Where is the Starbucks though? Okay, left. Autumn Garden. Chat, look at this, chat. It's so cute. Can I bring you home? The first thing that Micah asked, can I bring you home? It's like a bird. It's a bird, Micah. It's not just like. So just go. It's like when you home, Micah. You mean Philippines or you mean my hostel? Joey. You can bring me home. Take the road to the left. Hold on, chat. We're not allowed to film kids. Follow the old man. I hate you. I hate you. Wow. Look at that, chat. It's so cool. Super cool. Wow. Oh, that's so nice. Chat, sorry about the video chat ha. It's so bad, but bear with it. It will be better later. Gata juga po. You're so gago po. So I just go straight chat, right? Joey, you can say that. What does he say? She does. Do you have a laptop, Micah? I do. No, not very strong. It's not a strong one. You know what? If it overheats, it automatically turn off. Like really. I don't know what to feel about it. Is it strong? Not very strong. Just go straight, boo. Thanks for the follow, frags. OMG, same old man. I'm so slow, sorry. Trying to think how to get the US setup for your place. It's very cute of you. I follow the old man, right? When you say, you know why I laugh? You know, I turn. Stop, no. you said follow the old man. So it's not follow the old man after all, right? Left and reverse. This way. Left and reverse. Left and reverse. Oh my gosh, she was really because you told me, Chad. You said like follow the old man. Yeah, so I was following him. we were wrong. What wrong? I hate you, Chad. You lead me on. My nose is so itchy. When you said like follow the old man, he knows his path. Oh, that looks really cool. Oh, my phone is dying. So am I going to the right way, chat? If you took the right, you were supposed to go ahead. I was straight ahead. Chat, how do you understand that? Hold on. How would you understand that direction? If you take the right, you go straight. Huh? Hold on. I was walking straight. Take the right. This is the right. I'll just keep going. Okay. Sorry. I'm so bad at it. Ay nako. Ay nako. What the? Okay, keep going. It's straight ahead, no more turns needed. Okay, straight ahead. Is that the way to the Starbucks? Cause like, if Starbucks was, how do I say, nearer, we can charge there for a little bit. Because if we go back directly, chat, the phone will die. You will die. We will not see each other. Ah, Starbucks is right next to it. Okay. I wonder if I. Now the thing is, did I bring my charger? Yeah, what? I think my life is bullshitting me. Like, what do you mean? I'm not sure if I bring the charger. Oh, this is a Starbucks. Did I bring my charger? I think